Hello, just want to go through a few little things for you just to help you with your demo mixing. You haven't had a demo before. So to turn it on, press the button here. Yeah. I am just going to show you a recipe I got from this new book. That's the 20th anniversary cookbook for chicken stock powder. So I've dehydrated, or I've made and then dehydrated all the chicken, which in a minute I'll show you how I'm just going to chop that up. Just waiting for my machine. So fully connected. So I'm already connected to Wi-Fi, but if you swipe that way, you've got, you just turn that around, you've got your cookie dough. So I can, if I go into here, I can look at, oh, what did I recently cook? The ice cream, the chowder, always have porridge in the morning, we'll try to, the Brazilian cheese puff, so all the things that I've just cooked we'll store in there for you, especially these cocktails were fabulous. Go back, but if you want, there's all sorts of things there. You see the little arrow here, you can go into any of those and have a little look there. So go back to the home there. So swiping that way gives you the cookie dough, and you can put in here, oh, what do I want to look at? I can, see if you can see that, then type in something in here. Type in whatever that is, so that, say that, let's go, oh, banana bread. Okay, so start cooking. I'm just going to show you quickly. And it'll tell you exactly what to do every step. So you can just go next and grease a deep-sided loaf tin next. There's your weighing. There's your machine all ready to go. I'm sure you've washed yours out. 360 ripe bananas. So I usually take this off. Weighing, I'll show you how you weigh. See that little tear there? Put it back, always put it back to 0, and from here you can put in your bananas and so forth. You just keep going like that. Insert the measuring cup. MC is your measuring cup. See the picture there? There's your lid. There's your measuring cup. Goes in like that. Next. Alright, so it's already set, because you're using cookie dough, all the recipes in the Thermomix. So it's already set for 5 seconds, and we're not cooking, so we don't need to worry about that. But over here, where you see the green and then it stops with a little line, that's actually where you're going to turn this dial here to that. And all of a sudden in 5, it'll count down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and it's ready. So you just go next. You just keep measuring. You can either do it through there or take that off. Just keep measuring, or weighing. Always take it back to tare though. That you'll learn that if you never do, because then you think, oh, what did that weigh? So always take it back to there. You just go to next and put the caster sugar in next. So it's all the time telling you exactly what to do. So let's come back to the home page, which is here. And the recipe is still up there though, so you won't lose that. Now swiping this way gives you all the modes. So the turbo, the dough when you're making dough, which I'm going to show you all that, but if you have a little play, once you press them, so making out I was going to wash it, then I would turn the dial to either the dough or the universal, but I'll show you that in a minute once I clean my bowl. So come back, then you turn that off. You can swipe it up for different things, but come back to this all the time. So if I was going to bake some, do some bread, then I would just turn that and it's automatically on the right setting for bread. Come back and take it off. All right, so just that sort of a quick one for you. So if I'm following the book here, and I've already dried it, so to finish this off, so it does say, so clean and dry the mixing bowl, it's already done. Place the dried stock in the mixing bowl and mill. So we're going to mill, and that's going to be noisy. It's like chopping up chocolate or nuts. So mill is noisy. 5 seconds on 10. All right, because I want to make this powder. So I'm going to put that in here. So So that recipe's, I don't think it's in Cookie Dough. I don't know, I just found it in my new book. That's why I decided to do it. All right, so come back, swipe it back. Now there's my time. So I'm going to manually put that in. Normally when you're doing recipes on the Cookie Dough, it's already set, but now I'm doing it manually. So it said 5 seconds. So you push that and go 5. 5 seconds is up there. We're not cooking, so you don't have to worry about that. And then it's 10, so it's going to be noisy. So I'm going to put that right around to 10. Come back, sorry. So go back to 5. Push that on there. Go back to 10. Countdown. Finished. So that all would have made that powder. It's going to have a bit of, oh, fabulous. Turn that off just by doing that. And the little arms will open up, which are your little arms there. And in 5 seconds, I've milled that. So you can mill your coffee beans or chocolate, as I say, but it'll always say, so that's on 10, so that's why it was so noisy. But now that is finished, so I can now put that in some little containers. I'm just going to turn you off for a minute.